Ibn Jurayj says that he said to Ata, "In your views, what is the best time for performing individually or in congregation the Isha prayer called Atama by the people?" Ata said that he heard Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu say, "One night Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam delayed the Isha prayer to such an extent that even people went to sleep, then woke up and then again went to sleep. When they again woke up, Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu got up and said, 'The prayer.'" Ata says that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came while the water was dripping from his head, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had put his hand on his head. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Had it not been bothersome for my ummah, I would have commanded them to perform the prayer at this time.'" Jurayj asked Ata, how had the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed his hand on his head, and how did Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu tell you? Ata whereupon spread his fingers a little bit, put the fingers tips on the head, then lowered them down from the head, passed them over the head until his thumb touched that edge of the ear which faces the face, then his thumb up to the sideburns and hand up to the beard neither touched nor held anything. I inquired of Ata whether he told him up to what extent Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam delayed the prayer that night. He said he did not know. Then Ata said, "I love it to perform the prayer individually or in company. At the time when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam laid us in the prayer that night, if delay lies hard on you, or you are an imam and the people feel it bothersome, you should perform the prayer at medium time, neither early nor late, from the due time." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1450.